Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're passionate about woodworking or just love creating beautiful things with your hands, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of style woodworking project ideas for home decoration or high-profit projects. Creating woodworking projects for home decoration can be a fulfilling venture, both artistically and financially. Woodworking combines craftsmanship with creativity, allowing woodworkers to produce unique items that enhance the aesthetics of a space. In recent years, there has been a notable resurgence in handmade decor as consumers increasingly seek out personalized and original pieces over mass-produced alternatives. This trend opens up a plethora of opportunities for woodworkers to explore distinctive project ideas that can beautify a home and offer a profitable side hustle. One intriguing woodworking project idea is the creation of custom wall art. Rather than simply painting a canvas, woodworkers can carve intricate designs or patterns into wooden panels, creating textured and dimensional artwork. This type of project appeals to those looking for statement pieces for their walls, integrating natural materials with artistic expression. Wall art is especially profitable since it can be tailored to fit specific customer preferences concerning style, color, and size. Another compelling idea is to craft wooden signs. Personalized wooden signs are highly sought after for home decor, as they can be customized with family names, inspirational quotes, or seasonal greetings. The versatility of sign making allows woodworkers to experiment with various fonts, finishes, and techniques, including rustic, modern, or vintage styles. These signs are often quick to produce and can be marketed through local craft fairs or online platforms, ensuring a strong profit margin. Furniture restoration is another lucrative woodworking project. Revamping vintage or secondhand furniture can breathe new life into worn-out pieces, transforming them into unique items that tell a story. Woodworkers skilled in refinishing techniques can capitalize on this trend by offering workshop classes or tutorials on how to restore furniture. This project not only provides a valuable service, but also contributes to sustainability by encouraging the reuse of materials. For those who take pleasure in entertaining, crafting personalized serving trays or charcuterie boards can be both fun and profitable. High-quality wooden trays are perfect for hosting gatherings and make excellent gifts. By incorporating unique designs or engravings, woodworkers can elevate these functional pieces into works of art. These items are in high demand, especially during holiday seasons and special occasions. Another project that blends functionality with style is creating custom shelving units. Shelves are essential in any home for organizing and displaying items, but custom designs can add a unique touch to the space. Woodworkers can experiment with various styles, such as floating shelves, corner units, or decorative brackets, catering to different tastes and interior design themes. Custom shelving can significantly enhance room aesthetics while offering value to homeowners. Plant displays are increasingly popular as more people embrace indoor gardening. Crafting wooden plant stands or wall-mounted planters can attract gardening enthusiasts looking to showcase their plants stylishly. These projects can be simple or elaborate, depending on the desired aesthetic, and can incorporate unique features like drainage systems or lighting. With a rise in popularity of houseplants, there's a solid market for beautifully crafted plant displays. Incorporating technology into woodworking is also a growing trend. Woodworkers can create custom computer stands, charging stations, or speaker enclosures that blend modern technology with traditional craftsmanship. These items stand out in the market due to their unique, tailored design, appealing to tech-savvy consumers who value sustainability in their accessories. This type of project showcases the versatility of woodcraft, appealing to a broad audience. Additionally, creating handcrafted kitchen items, such as cutting boards, utensils, or storage containers, is a wonderful way to merge practicality with artistry. Kitchen tools made from high quality would not only offer functionality, but also enhance the visual appeal of the cooking space. By focusing on durability and style, woodworkers can produce items that keep customers returning for more, especially when they can be personalized or uniquely designed. Wooden toys also offer a fulfilling and profitable avenue for woodworking projects. As parents seek safer, sustainable toys for their children, handcrafted wooden toys are making a comeback. These timeless pieces can be designed to inspire learning and creativity, appealing to parents who value quality over quantity. Crafting items like puzzles, building blocks, or toy cars can be a fun project that resonates with families wanting to create lasting memories. Outdoor furniture is another area with significant demand. Items like benches, patio tables, or garden swings can enhance outdoor living spaces, attracting customers looking for durable yet stylish options. Weatherproofing techniques can expand the longevity of these projects, making them a worthwhile investment for both the woodworker and the customer. Outdoor furniture can often command higher price points due to its size and craftsmanship. Lastly, a unique niche to consider is creating pet furniture or accessories. As more people treat their pets as family members, stylish and functional pet furniture, like elevated feeding stations, pet beds, or cat trees, has become increasingly popular. Custom designs that match home decor while providing comfort for pets can lead to a loyal customer base and repeat business. In conclusion, the world of woodworking offers endless possibilities for projects that elevate home decoration while remaining profitable. From custom wall art to furniture and functional accessories, woodworkers can tap into various markets. The key to success lies in creativity, skillful craftsmanship, and understanding consumer trends. Whether creating for personal enjoyment